Jazz Garcia, who deleted their comment but is going to get their answer anyway, asked, "Do you have any advice or images I could use as a guide for mounting hard drives? I am new to PC building, and this is literally the only tutorial I've seen for this video. Something I noticed while making my computer building tutorial is a stunning lack of information about the EVGA DG-73 case. Probably because it wasn't as good of a seller as EVGA hoped. I didn't plan on covering this because it had no bearing on a general computer build, but as the illustrious Joe Dirt once said, it's not what you like, it's the consumer." The DG-73 can mount up to 4 hard drives, which it does on metal plates screwed behind the motherboard tray. So for me, it's a lot like that one time in college. The 2 small plates are for solid-state drives, and the 2 large plates are for hard disk drives. For this tutorial, we'll install one of each. For both the SSD and the HDD, you'll want to follow the same pattern. Put the plate down with the screw head pointing to the ceiling, then rest your drive on top of it with the connectors on the opposite edge of the plate from the screw. Then turn this assembly over and screw the drive into the plate. Put the plates in place and screw them in by hand and make sure they're even. Then hold them in place while you drive the screws in with a screwdriver, hence the name. Now all you have to do is run your power and data wires to the drives and you are good to go. Like this video and subscribe to the Test Bench. Feel free to join us on Facebook. Back us on Patreon if you want to help us show you more cool stuff. And follow us on Twitter. You'll find clickable links in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos.